Hey everyone, how's it going? So this video is just going to be like an update on the growth of my YouTube channel and how my affiliate marketing is doing. So to put it short, I am extremely pleased with how things are going. Hello, beautiful. I am in the forest. Oof, that dog scared me. It's a lovely, beautiful dog. Anyhow, so yes, loads I could share with you, but I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to like cut it straight to the point that I did purchase this what you call it, like a high ticket affiliate training course. That's what I got started with, so that would have been like 7 months ago. So it got me on that online journey, and that's how I set up my YouTube channel, all of that. But to be brutally honest, I very much diverted from the way they teach, kind of. Nevertheless, I am extremely grateful and for everything, and there's like a phenomenal community inside that that comes with the training course. But I don't want to talk about that high ticket training course now. What I would love to bring your attention to, guys, is actually two training courses I have come across pretty recently. Now, the thing is that I have been following the vendor behind those training courses for months, and he gained my trust, and that's why I have learned tons from him, and he's like a real deal person. So yeah, that's why I decided to get those training courses. Now, one course is called Kiss Jacking. I have actually reviewed that course, so go check it out if you want to learn more what Kiss Jacking is all about. Now, that one is for like complete newbies and beginners who want to start with just making money with affiliate marketing, and is real legit, all of that. I'll make a video, like a income proof video, very soon on my progress, all of that. So just to give you the numbers, because money talks, right? And then the other course is called Traffic Jarvis, and that's like a full-blown training on YouTube, how to start making very, very nice income utilizing YouTube. And YouTube is such a beast, and there is so much to it, guys, and I am so pleased and happy to announce that my YouTube channel has been monetized recently, and I have already started making YouTube ad revenues like a couple of days ago, and I am already seeing dollars coming from that. So that's super excited. That is super exciting for me. That's why I just kind of I'm coming to you here randomly to just share my journey and my progress. So Traffic Jarvis is like a full-blown training course, guys. It's like 13 hours of hardcore core knowledge. I'll be reviewing that training course very soon as well. So stay tuned for that. But this is just like a quick video. Just to kind of motivate you and inspire you, because yeah, we get inspired from each other at the end of the day. So yeah, cool. I kind of lost my train of thought. I'm just here in this forest, the dogs are barking, the kids are playing. I'm just looking at my daughter. She's getting impatient, looking at me. Mommy, are you shooting another YouTube video? Anyhow, yes, so this is it. Yeah, definitely check out those courses below this short video, and stay tuned, guys. I am on it. I am definitely on it. There's so much more to share that I have to share with you. I am only warming up, and I am seeing the gravity of the situation and the potential. So as I said again, oh yeah, I haven't finished talking about Traffic Jarvis course. So it will help you get your YouTube channel monetized pretty fast. I got my monetized in 2 hours, not 2 hours. That would be like a dream come true. No, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, and it's not an easy thing to achieve. It's quite a milestone, right? That's what they call it. So yeah, you do need like 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000, if I am not mistaken, 4 or 5,000. I think 4,000 watch hours, for your YouTube channel to go into a review, and then they, inform you, send you an email or about whether the channel has been monetized or not. So mine has been monetized. That's why I'm super excited. And yeah, if that's what you wish to do, if you have a desire to open up a YouTube channel, even if you don't really have like an idea or a long-term vision, don't worry. Just get started, and the ideas will come as you go along. And if you have the right training, that will like put you on the right path. So definitely check out those courses and see my other reviews. Not just reviews. I'll be making all sorts of videos. I'm on it. I am on it. Okay, bye. Love you and leave you.